Welcome, everyone. Let's jump right in. Today, we're decoding a groundbreaking new AI technology in this explainer that is absolutely set to transform how creators and marketers produce content. We are talking about the massive multimodal evolution of AI content creation.
I want you to just imagine for a second firing up your complex, heavy editing software. But instead of fiddling with 100 tiny buttons on a timeline, you just send a text message to change the background. Literally just chatting to edit. Well, editing videos simply by having a conversation is now an absolute reality. And that is exactly the mind-blowing capability we're breaking down for you right now. So here's our roadmap for today. First, what is Gemini Omni? 2, the magic of multimodal creation. 3, video editing via chat. 4, normal Gemini versus Omni. And 5, master use cases for creators. Let's get into it.
Starting with Section 1. What is Gemini Omni?
Okay, the absolutely crucial keyword you need to remember here is simultaneously. Gemini Omni is what we call a multimodal AI. You see, unlike older tools that maybe only read text or only look at pictures, Gemini Omni processes text, images, audio, and video all at the exact same time. Think of it like a giant brain that can see, hear, read, and speak, perfectly synced up.
Google's official vision for this model is basically a massive secret weapon for your content pipeline. Their motto? Create anything from any input. You aren't boxed in by the format of your original idea anymore. Got a picture? Boom, it becomes a video. Have a voice note? It becomes an ad. It completely removes all those traditional barriers we're so used to.
Now, you're probably wondering, where can I actually get my hands on this? Right now, it's rolling out across the Google Gemini app, Google Flow, and it's being directly integrated into YouTube Shorts. Currently, Google AI Pro and Ultra users are getting the very first early access taste of the action, but trust me, this is quickly going to become the new standard.
Which brings us to Section 2, the magic of multimodal creation. Let's look at how this actually works in practice with a classic text-to-video workflow. Say you type a highly specific prompt. Cinematic tiger in a jungle, sunrise, realistic fog, bird sounds. Notice how entering that highly detailed text gives you a fully produced AI video, complete with synced background audio, realistic lighting, and smooth cinematic camera movement. The model understood the visual request and the auditory request all at once.
Now, let's apply this to e-commerce, specifically image to video. Imagine you're an Etsy seller. You just upload a simple, static product image and prompt the AI, turn into a professional ad with a smooth camera and luxury background. The output? You instantly get a dynamic product showcase with zoom effects and marketing-style animations. You're literally taking a flat picture and turning it into a high-converting animated asset in seconds.
But wait, let's level this up even further. What if we stack the inputs? Here, you upload that product image, but you also add your own voice recording. Your prompt is just create a promotional video using this image and voiceover. Because the AI understands both at once, it outputs a complete, sync-perfect promotional video ready for your followers. The visuals actually react to and sync up with your specific audio track. It's wild!
All right, Section 3, video editing via chat. Honestly, I believe this is the most revolutionary feature we're looking at today.
This is conversational editing in action. Imagine a timeline. First, you upload an existing video. Then you just type, change the background from office to beach. The AI updates it. But here's the real magic. Next, you just say, add sunset lighting, and then make the camera angle wider. The AI actually remembers every single instruction over time. You are editing the video step by step just by having a continuous chat with it. No menus, no complex timelines.
For you YouTubers out there, listen to this. You prompt, create a 30-second short explaining an HS code with animations and a Hindi voiceover. That one single command gives you the entire package, completely ready to upload. It writes the script, it generates the Hindi voiceover, it creates the animations, and stitches the whole thing together. It's literally an entire production studio responding to one sentence. Digital product sellers can use this exact same workflow. Say you sell digital planners on Etsy. You prompt, 15-second ad for a digital planner, modern typography, productivity theme, upbeat music. The AI does all the heavy lifting and exports an upbeat, modern ad that's perfectly formatted for social media.
Moving right along to Section 4, Normal Gemini versus Omni.
This is the ultimate question for any creator exploring this space right now, isn't it? What exactly makes Omni so much better than the normal Gemini model we were already used to? Let's break down the facts side by side.
So while both models handle text chat and basic image analysis perfectly fine, the differences quickly become massive. The older, normal Gemini had very limited video capabilities. Omni, on the other hand, completely dominates with advanced video generation. Combining audio and video together? Normal Gemini couldn't do it, but Omni does. Conversational video editing? Only on Omni. Multi-input creation? Omni takes it from limited to a resounding yes. It's not just an update, it's a completely new way of computing.
And finally, Section 5, Master Use Cases for Creators.
Let's rapidly break down how you can actually apply this directly to your daily workflow. Whether you're running a faceless YouTube channel, making animated educational explainers, or throwing together Etsy product ads, these 8 use cases prove Omni is an absolute game changer. From rapid shorts generation and social media reels, all the way up to full-blown AI commercials and everyday video editing through a chat interface, it removes literally all the friction from the creative process. Your ideas can finally move as fast as you can type them.
So here's the final provocative question I want to leave you with. Are you ready to revolutionize your content pipeline and try out those 10 advanced prompts to dominate your niche? The technology to bypass complex editing software and just chat your ideas into reality is officially here. The question is, how will you use it to build your empire? Thank you so much for exploring this fascinating topic with me in today's Explainer, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can create.